Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change the video background in CapCut PC. So the first thing that you need to do is add the video to the timeline, just like this. Before adding a new background, you need to remove the current background first. So let's just click on the video here on the timeline. And after that, remove the background by clicking on the remove background. And I'm going to just use the auto removal. Just wait until the auto cutout apply to the whole clip. So the wait for the background is fully removed. Okay, so now the auto cutout has been completed and the video background is removed. And now what you need to do is go to basic in here, and then you can just scroll down until you find the canvas options. This one. Now you can just click on this drop down to show the options, and now just choose if you want to change the background with blur, you can choose blur, or if you want to change it into another solid color, you can click on color, or pattern if you want to use pattern, or you can also use blend backgrounds if you have one. So for example, I'm going to just go with pattern in here, and CapCut will show you some options that you can choose for the new background. So you can just explore in here which of this pattern that you want to use for your video. For example, I'm going to just use this one. You can download it first. And the background is now added into the clip. So you can also change it with another one if you want to. Just choose the background that you want. That's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.